In this video, I will show you how to get free 10 plus instant items for free. But before I show you, do like and subscribe to support my channel. Also comment down on what topic should I make video next. Alright, without any further delay, let's dive in. Quickly search up for Metaverse Champions Hub and join the game. As soon as you load in, you should see this badge. It means that for sick outfits are waiting in your inventory. These are the outfits which I was talking about. These outfits will help in making 0 Robux outfits. Search up for Holiday 2021 and join the game. And wait for the badge to pop up. And there you go, some nice looking head accessory waiting in your inventory. You will get this cool ice head brain accessory.
So nice.
Next, search up for RIA 2025 and join the game. As soon as you join, you will see this badge, which means 1 item already into your inventory. For the next item, complete this secret obby here. Once done, you should see this badge. For 1 more item, just follow me here. And just like that, a total of 3 cool items in your inventory. These are the 3 cool items which you will get from that game. Lastly, join Clark's Sickiverse. You can get a total of 4 free items. For the first item, go to breakdancing area and choose difficulty relaxed. It's very simple. Just make a score of 600 and above. You will see this badge, which means you got the free item. Next, go to parkour area and complete the parkour under 1 minute 30 seconds. I know you guys are very good at parkour. And that's it! You will get this badge, which means another item into your inventory. Next, complete BMX race until you see the badge. And that's how you get the 3rd free item from this game. For the last item, just play the game for 15 minutes. It counts from the moment you join, so don't worry, by the time you complete getting the other items, you will get this badge. These are all the items which you will get from the game.